This is Mama Knows Best. Today, we're going indoor barbecue on a portable hob. We're going to do 3 different kinds of skewers. Salmon, which I've cut into small square chunks, king prawns that I have already deveined, and the chicken breast sliced into thin pieces. I've also prepared 3 different flavorings. In the next clip, I'll quickly show you each type of flavors and their measurements, so keep watching. I've been using this homemade recipe for a long time now whenever friends come over for a barbecue. So for our salmon, we have the dark sweet chili sauce, and for our prawn, we have the spicy garlic paprika, and for our chicken, peppered smoky barbecue. Next, we have mixed peppers and white onions cut into small squares. It gives color and personally looks appetizing to eat with the skewers. You don't need to have this, it depends to your liking. Right, let's do the marinade. You can actually make this ahead of time, an hour or an overnight, much better. So let's start with our chicken. I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of this flavoring for our chicken, like that. And I'll mix them. And the remaining of this, we're gonna use that in brushing our skewers later when we do the barbecue. Okay, we have the chicken now. Let's set that aside. I'm going to change my gloves. We'll do the prawn. Done. Okay, let's put them now on our skewer. I will start with the chicken meat first. Alternate with the veg. And I'll use onions thin. And there we go, that's the first one. They're all on the sticks. Let's proceed to our grill pan. On your preheated grill, add about 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, then spread it with your brush. I'm gonna start with the chicken to separate from the seafood. Make sure we grill the skewers thoroughly. We don't want them overcooked and burnt overall, but we just want a tiny bit of that char around the edges of the meat. The prawn will be the quickest one to grill, so keep an eye on it. And here's our barbecue. Why don't you give it a try? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you got any suggestion or question, please email me at cookmadeeasy@gmail.com. Stay safe, God bless, and bye-bye.